Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a Hulu gift card. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've created a Google Doc here of how to do this. So the first thing you need to do is get your gift card ready. So have your Hulu gift card and its PIN code. The pin is usually located on the back of the card and may need to be scratched off to reveal it. So you can use a coin or something similar to scratch off and reveal that pin code. And then from there, log in or sign up to Hulu. So if you don't have a Hulu account, visit the Hulu website and sign up for one. If you already got one, just log in. And then from there, go to the Hulu gift card redemption page, enter the gift card code in gift or promotional code field, click on redeem, and then you want to apply the gift card. So if prompted, log into your Hulu account. The value of the gift card will be applied to your Hulu account and will be used to pay for your subscription until the balance is depleted. If you have a recurring subscription, Hulu will use the gift card balance first before charging your default payment method once the balance runs out. And there's a few additional tips here to take note of. So check your balance. So to see your remaining gift card balance, go to Hulu account settings and look for billing information. And you can also combine gift cards if you didn't know this. So if you have multiple Hulu gift cards, you can redeem them one after the other to add their values to your account balance.